Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to be doing an Azha Trader 6.0 actual review because I've not done a review video for this. So far I've been using this product now for a couple of months. The first article that I've done, and look, I'll drop links to all of these below for you. Feel free to go ahead and check all of this out. But basically, what is Azha Trader? Well, it's to do with forex trading. And look, don't let that put you off because when it comes to trading, I don't have a clue about it, and I still don't. This is an automated piece of software where basically you connect it all and it runs on autopilot for you. So the first article is this one here, and again I'll drop a link to this below for you. Now this was the first article. Since this article I've actually done an update, as you can see here, which is the update and also the results. So if I jump over here, this is the product. It's called Azha Trader, and you can see on here, originally I found out about this by over in the Facebook group Side Hustle Nation. And if you're not in that Facebook group, go ahead and check it out because you can connect with lots of different people in there, and people are always, sharing different ways that they're making money online and from home. So I got chatting to this guy over in there called Ty. He's actually one of the creators of this software here. And after a bit of chatting, went backwards and forwards, I went ahead and purchased the software, and then I did an article on it after it had been up and running. I believe it was about 4 weeks, this one here. And I also did like a little interview on here with him. So all of these questions here, these were the questions, all of these here where they're highlighted, sorry, these are the questions that I asked him prior to purchasing the software. Because I always like to, do a bit of due diligence and, check things out. So as I mentioned, I don't know anything about forex market or trading, and the reason why I like this software and the reason why I purchased it was the passive income potential. Because if you're a long-time viewer of the channel and a reader over on the blog, then you know at this moment in time a lot of my efforts are focused on passive incomes. Truth be told, that's why I've not been uploading too many YouTube videos, because I've been buying lots of niche blogs and other things which can bring me in a passive income, and that's exactly what Azha Trader can do for you. So this first article, you see here, this was the first 4 weeks using this software. Now it was new at the time for me, so every single day I was taking a screenshot. So you can see here, I deposited $1,000, and at the end of the first day, this, as you can see here, day one, I earned $11.63, doing nothing. Come down here, day two, I earned $8. Day three, $24. Day 4, 45, that was a good day. Day 5, day 6, and day 7. So in my first 7 days using the software, I earned $211. Pretty good, isn't it? Considering I genuinely do not touch this at all. And then I shared the profits here for, you can see here, this was the 26th of June to the 3rd of July, and you can go ahead and have a look at this, 126. Following week, etc. But look, I'm not going to go through this whole article here for you, but let me just scroll to the bottom and show you. So this was here, the total for the first 4 weeks using the software. This was from the 17th of June 2020 to the 17th of July, and I earned $579. My original investment into the trading was $1,000. So I deposited $1,000 into a broker's account. So it's a hell of a return, isn't it? So this was the first 4 weeks using the software, and I'll drop a link to this. I then did this article here, which was, can't even remember the day of this one. Let me scroll down here. See? I can't remember. See if I've got a picture here. Can't actually find it. Where is it? Oh, this was August. So this, sorry, here we go. The 19th of August. But look, like all things, the first 4 weeks, I didn't have a day where this software lost money. Every single day it was earning money. I thought, this is bloody brilliant, it'll continue. But then in my update here, in the update and results, I actually also shared where I had my first losing day, and you can see. So it was after 5 weeks of using the software came along our first loss. And I shared this in the Facebook group as well, so everyone could see this. So my first losing day was $127.29. Although it was a negative on the day, I was still up on the week. So overall, I was quite happy with it because I wasn't, like I said, originally I used to check my accounts every day and, take screenshots and everything. But after the first probably 3 or 4 weeks, really, I'm happy with it now. I don't feel I need to check it every single day. I just leave it and I check it once a week possibly twice a week if I remember. So I also share on here, look, after 5 weeks, why did we see a loss? And again, this is in the article. And then I just shared the results for the following week. So this was the 19th of August, results for the following week, 26th of August, 27th of August. And look, like I've mentioned, I didn't have screenshots for every single day because I genuinely just forget to do it. So $177. Then we're into the 4th of September. And then I share some screenshots here from other people within the Facebook group as well. So in terms of Azha Trader, who is it for? Well, basically, if you're looking to earn money with minimal, and I mean minimal effort on your behalf, then this is for you. It's a passive income because you purchase the software, you put in some money, and you just connect it all up. Once you join, you get a PDF, you get access to a Facebook group, and it's all up and running. There is a couple of things that you need for this. So look, again, this is all in the blog article, so I will leave these down below for you so you can go ahead and look at my results and have a look at this. But basically, step one is you need a broker's account. Now, there's a couple of different accounts that you can use. From doing some research, this is the one that I was happy with, and this is the one that I've gone with and recommend. It's called Tradersware. If you come over to the article, click here, it will take you over to the correct page which you need. Come down here. Once you've opened up an account over here, you then purchase the software, and how it works is you connect the software over to your trader's account here, and it basically just runs on autopilot for you, and then everything else that you get included in this. Now look, I'll mention the price for you because someone said in my last video I didn't mention this, so where is this? So it's currently $1,500. However, if you purchase this using my link, and the link is over in the blog articles, you'll get $500 off this. So you'll get this software for $1,000. Now, I know it's expensive. It is. I'm not going to, $1,000 isn't a little bit of money. It's a hell of a lot of money. But why I like this software and why I recommend this and share this is because I've now been using this for coming up to 4 months. And yes, I've had a couple of days where I've lost money on that particular day, but they're very far and few between, and also overall I'm massively up, like genuinely massively up. Originally what I said was I'd put in my $1,000. Once I got to $1,000 profit, I was going to withdraw that, and I did though. I withdrew my original investment, and then I've just let it continue ticking along, and then since then all I've been doing is topping it up every now and again. So my account balance now, it's up to, I think it's just over $3,000. And look, when you see people in the Facebook group sharing their results where they're earning $200, $300, even some days $400 in a day, you think, bloody hell, I could jump into this. But I'm always at the back of my mind thinking, there's always going to be some form of risk associated with it. So I will literally just add little bits of money here and there when I can. But look, it's not just me who's making money with this. But as I've mentioned, I'll drop my links to my blog. You can go ahead and check out these articles. Let me quickly jump into the Facebook group and see for today. So you can see this currently, it's gone up again. There's currently 1,800 members in the Facebook group. If I scroll down here, you can see this is Joseph 27 minutes ago. Not a bad start to the week, especially when I've been sleeping for most of it. So how much has he earned? Have a look at this, $106. So that's pretty good. Let's come further down the page. This is Brad. Last week started out slow. He ended up with a bang. He earned $2,650 profit for the week. Blimey. And he's got, look, you see here, he's got $15,000 in one account and $20,000 in another account. So luckily for Brad, he's trading with $35,000 and he's earned $2,000. But look, people ask me, how much do you have to invest into this? Well, look, you can start out with $1,000 like I did. You can even start out with $100 or $200, whatever. Just invest what you're comfortable with. Please don't go get a loan or a credit card or anything ridiculous like that to invest in this at all. If I scroll down here, you can see Lars, $54 for the day. Come down here, nice start to the week. This person earned, look, $27. Come down here, Amanda, $18. Come further down. Oh, here's me, look. I shared this one here. I earned today $39.01. To be honest, I thought it was going to be more because when I messaged my friend this morning, it was up to like 32 at the beginning of the day. So I thought it would have been more. But overall, $39 for doing nothing. I'll take it, obviously. Come a bit further down. Someone here. look at this, $444 in a day. But this person here, Shane, he will have probably 10 grand in his account. Come down here, look, we've got another one, 200 plus day today. Further down the page, $100 hands-free, I will take it. So this is inside of the Facebook group. You can go ahead and have a look at and check this out. People are always sharing their results in here. And overall, I mean, this Azha Trader, if I come back over here, I'll drop links to both of my blog articles. Please go ahead and have a read them and, go through it properly and see the journey and how it all works. But overall, it's really simple. It's really easy. It isn't technical at all. You purchase the software, you connect the software to your broker's account, and then you simply get it up and running. And there's a PDF that comes with this, and there's a couple of walkthrough videos in the private Facebook group. And yeah, it just runs on autopilot. And look, when you first start, I'm sure you will be checking your profits every single day. But overall, once it's up and running, you just leave it alone and it works in the background for you and it brings in a passive income. So overall for me, am I happy with it? Yes, of course I'm happy with it. It's bringing me in money all of the time. Will I be adding more money to this at this moment in time? Probably not. I'm just going to leave it and let it tick along. And I'm also going to be focusing on other niche and other passive incomes, and I'll be sharing the update of that in some of the videos over the next week. So I've actually been purchasing some niche websites and other bits, which is ultimately all leading to this passive income goal. So yeah, that is Azha Trader 6.0. If you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I may see you tomorrow.